Morning everyone, we are heading to Bantigit today because it's fiesta. Thrifted shorts and then a gift from my cousin. And we are ready to go. Bye. Happy Fiesta. Basta Pilipino. Nasangit. Nasangit. We're leaving.